Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 14, statistics, and today we are going to start new topic, that is median of grouped data. Okay, so last year you have studied median of ungrouped data. So let us move towards the top. What is median? Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the data. Okay, and now let us concentrate on method for finding the median for grouped data. Grouped data means the frequency distribution will be in the form of class interval. So सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? What you have to do? You have to prepare a table containing less than cumulative frequency. I will tell you what is less than cumulative frequency with the help of given frequencies. So हम लोग CF निकालेंगे. We will find CF, cumulative frequency. How to find CF, that we will see one by one step. Next, find out the cumulative frequency to which n by 2 belongs. The class interval of this cumulative frequency is the median class interval. First step, we have to form the cumulative frequency table. Then we have to identify n by 2 belongs to which class. So that is the median class. Okay. Next, find out the frequency of that class and lower limit of the median class, and find the width also. Then after getting all these values, we have to substitute in formula. Okay. Find the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. इसको किसी बुक में C से denote किए हैं और किसी बुक में CF से. Okay. So we will use as CF. Apply the formula. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H to find the median. So this is the steps to find the median. So let us see one example. Find the median daily wages from the following frequency distribution. So this is the frequency distribution table in class interval form. Okay, so now we have to form a table, and you have to keep in your mind that the class interval should be in standard form, continuous form, that is exclusive form. So class interval, frequency, and the third column is CF. CF कैसे निकालना है देखो. First we will write first frequency, that is C, the 6. उसके बाद we have to add this frequency to the next frequency. कितना आएगा? 9. So you have to write 9 here. Again 9 you have to add with 5.
14.
Okay, 14 again you have to add with 20.
34.
Right. 34 again you have to add with 10. 44. So ये जो 44 है, this is the total frequency. ठीक है, और इसको बोलते हैं लेस देन CF, क्योंकि लेस देन 200 कितना होगा? 6 टोटल 9, और लेस देन 250 मीन्स 14, लेस देन 300 मीन्स 34, because we have to add all these number. Less than 350 means 44. Is that clear? This type of cumulative frequency table is known as less than cumulative frequency table, and more than bhi hota hai, that we will take up in next session, that is tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, so we got all the cumulative frequency. Total frequency, that is n is the total frequency, and it is equals to 44. Okay, and we will find n by 2 first. What is the value of n by 2? 22. अभी 22 जो frequency है, 22 belongs to which class, that we have to find. Okay, 22 14 के बाद आएगा.
Yes sir.
Right. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 22 से छोटा या बराबर, listen carefully, n by 2 से छोटा या बराबर हम लोग CF देखेंगे पहले इसमें. अगर छोटा वाला मिला तो नेक्स्ट क्लास मीडियन क्लास होगा, अगर सेम इक्वल मिला तो वही मीडियन क्लास होगा। सो यहाँ पे क्या पोजीशन है, व्हाट इज द पोजीशन हियर, वी गॉट लेस देन 22 14। सो 14 के बाद वाला जो क्लास है दिस इज द मीडियन क्लास, वेदर यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड।
Yes, sir.
आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, n/2 जो भी आ रहा है उससे छोटा वाला, उससे नियरेस्ट छोटा जो है दैट इज 14। सो 14 के बाद वाला क्लास जो होगा वो मीडियन क्लास होगा। सो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जो n/2 वैल्यू है वो CF में रहे, सो दैट क्लास यू हैव टू टेक एज ए मीडियन क्लास। उसके बाद वाला भी क्लास लोगे तो भी सेम आंसर आएगा एनी हाउ, बट वेदर यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ 250 to 300 is the median class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so which corresponds to the class 250 to 300, so median class is 250 to 300. अभी ध्यान से देखो इसमें CF क्या होता है, हम लोग का मीडियन क्लास ये है 250 to 300, CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, मीडियन क्लास से पिछले क्लास का CF, सो ये होगा CF, क्लियर। and F is the frequency of the median class, median class 250 to 300 है, so इसका जो frequency जो रहेगा वो that is denoted by F, and H is the class size. What is the class size of this class?
Sir, 50.
50, right. And what is the lower limit of this class?
250.
250, that is the value of L. So हम लोग अब सभी values लिख रहे हैं, L is 250, F is 20, H class size 50, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Now we'll write the formula, इस side formula लिखेंगे. Now we'll substitute all the values. The value of L is 250, n/2 22 है, and CF is 14, F is 20, and H is 50. Okay, so we'll get this value as 8, and this we can simplify, 8 into 5 40 by 2 20 मिलेगा, so final answer is 270. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, what is the main thing is that here you should know how to find median class, that is the main important, and second important is the formula. Okay, so now we are going to start the exercise 14.3 with first question. So this is the first question. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers. So total frequency is given 68 of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So this is the monthly consumption in units and number of consumers is our frequency. Now first step you have to check the class interval whether it is continuous or not. Continuous है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so हम लोग next step पे जाएंगे, CF median find करना है, पहले मीडियन फाइंड करना है, मीन फाइंड करना है, मोड, तीनों फाइंड करना है। सो मीन और मोड भी रिवीजन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे। सो पहले मीडियन, मीडियन के लिए 3 कॉलम, क्लास इंटरवल, फ्रीक्वेंसी और CF। व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट CF बताओ जल्दी।
4.
सेकंड
9.
थर्ड 22। इसको इससे ऐड करना है, देखो इन दोनों को ऐड करना है। नाउ ऐड दिस टू 42, राइट। नाउ ऐड दिस टू 56, right. Now add these two 64. Now add this two 68. So total frequency already it is given in the question, it is 64. Okay, so we'll write all this here. N is equals to 68. So what is n by 2? 34 से nearest smallest जो nearest जो
तो
CF है
22
छोटा वाला
22
22
22 के बाद वाला क्लास मीडियन क्लास होगा. That means
1
median class is okay. So what is F in the formula?
20
20, right?
20
And what is CF?
22
22.
22.
Very good. And what is H?
125
Class size. H
20
20. And L is
125
okay. So इसमें write up में कैसे लिखेंगे? First we will write n by 2, that is 34. Now we'll write which corresponds to the interval 125 to 145. Therefore, the median class is 125 to 145. Okay. Now we'll write all these values. L is equals to 125, N is equals to 68, F is 20, CF is 22, and H is 20. After that, we will write the formula. Then we will substitute all the values. L का value 125 है plus 68 by 2 minus 22. Okay, so 68 by 2 already हम लोग calculate कर चुके हैं. So you can write directly 34 also. Okay, 34 minus 22 upon 20. ये 20 cancel हो गया. So 34 minus 22 will get 12. Okay, after cancelling these two. So final answer is 137.
37
So this is the median. Next we need to find mean. Mean के लिए again the class size of all the class interval are same. So we are using step deviation method. Now what is the class mark of first class interval?
10.
20
65 to 85 दोनों का ऐड करके डिवाइड बाई 2
75
कितना आ रहा है?
75
25
65 plus 85 divided by 2 75.
yes sir
Okay, fine, 75. Then उसके बाद 20 क्लास साइज कितना है इसमें? 20.
20
So 20 ऐड करते जाओ. 75, 95, then 115, 135, 155, 175, 195, and the middle one is 135. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको 0 लिखेंगे यहाँ पे straight. 1, 2, 3 without calculating I am writing. If you want to calculate you can calculate. -1, -2, -3. 0 के नीचे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, 0 के ऊपर नेगेटिव नंबर्स. Okay, whether this step is clear? Now we'll
Yes, sir.
multiply f into u, right? 4 into -3. फटाफट बोलो जल्दी.
minus
-12, right? 5 into -2.
-10
13 into -1.
-30
minus
20 into 0.
0
15 into 14 into 1.
40
14
8 into 2.
16
4 into 3.
12
12.
Okay. So after that हम लोग क्या करेंगे? जो माइनस वाले जो टर्म्स हैं उसको पूरा ऐड करेंगे और जो प्लस वाले जो टर्म है उसको ऐड करेंगे. नाउ विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस टू. सो विल गेट 7. ओके, सारे वैल्यूज आ गए. नाउ विल राइट a is equals to 135, h is equals to 20, and the formula is a plus summation fu upon summation f into h. Substitute all the values. 135 plus 7 upon 68 into 20. ओके, सो इसको 140 इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग. 34 17 5. ओके, 4 से डिवाइड कर दिए. सो 35 अपॉन 17. सो 2.05 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. सो 135.05 यूनिट इज द required mean. Any doubt in this one?
no sir
ओके,
No.
अब एक बच गया मोड. मोड के लिए 2 कॉलम काफी है. विच इज द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी?
20
20. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग F1 लिख दिए. F1 से पहले
F0
F1 के बाद
F2
F2 और जिसका मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो मॉडल क्लास. So what is L? L.
125.
Okay. What is H?
20.
20. Okay, fine. So maximum frequency is 20. So model class is 125 to 145. So we'll write all these values. L is equals to 125, F1 is 20, F0 is 13, F2 is 14 and H is 20. After that you have to write the formula. फॉर्मूला लिखने के बाद सब्सटीट्यूशन है, सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं. सो 2 इंटू F1 दैट इज 2 इंटू 20 40 हो जाएगा. 20 minus 13 is 7, we'll get 7 here, and 40 minus 13 minus 14, that is 40 minus 27, we'll get 13. So 140 divided by 13. Okay, इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं. सो 140 डिवाइडेड बाय 13 मिलेगा 10.76 एंड द फाइनल आंसर इज 135.76. ओके, सो ऑलमोस्ट वी आर गेटिंग, सारे जो वैल्यूज है वो आसपास ही मिल रहे हैं, नॉट एग्जैक्टली द सेम. सी 137, 137.05, 135.76. So hence the three measures are approximately the same in this case. Nearly, not exactly. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we will move towards fourth question. Second question, third question we will take up in next session. Okay, so we have to find only median here. So first checking class interval continuous hai ki nahi, whether it is continuous.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so we have to make it continuous. So उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस देखो कितना है.
1.
1.
1. What is the half of 1?
0.5.
0.5. तो सभी लोअर लिमिट में 0.5 माइनस करना है and you have to add 0.5 to all the upper limits. So this will become 117.5, the first one. Okay, and the upper limit will become 126.5. ये पहले पूरा ऐड कर लो, पूरा ऐड कर लो. ऐड करने के बाद व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, इसको क्रॉस करके यहीं पे लिखो ये वाला वैल्यू. ओके, ऑल द वैल्यूज यू राइट इन क्रॉस so that you the lower limit of all the classes no need to require to calculate. Okay, so after calculating we'll get this one. Now we have to find the median only, so only one column we have to make CF. What is the first CF?
3.
Okay, second CF,
8.
third,
17.
70.
fourth,
29. 29.
okay, and fifth,
34.
38.
next,
38. 38.
okay, and the last one.
40.
Okay, so total frequency is 40. Okay, so what is 40 by 2?
20.
20 से जो छोटा वाला जो CF है, जो सबसे पहले वाला जो छोटा है,
17.
17.
17 के बाद वाला जो क्लास,
144.5 to
right?
153.5.
This is the median class, and this is the value of F, and this is the value of CF. What is the value of L?
144.5.
Okay, what is the value of H?
12.
Right, 9. Okay, so we'll write here n by 2 is 20, which belongs to 144.5 to 153.5. So median class is this one, and the value of L is 144.5, F is 12, CF is 17, and H is 9. After that we will write the formula. फिर फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. n by 2 ऑलरेडी हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं 20, सो डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 upon 12 into 9. सो यहाँ पे कितना मिलेगा?
3.
3. वो 3 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 4, सो 9/4 मिलेगा लास्ट में। ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से, व्हाट इज 9/4?
2.5.
2.25। ठीक है, सो 2.25 plus 144.5, you will get 146.75. So this is the required median length of leaves. Okay, 146.75 millimeter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards next question. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So total frequency already given, and we have to check whether the class interval is continuous or not. Continuous है, exclusive form है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so हम लोग फिर एक ही कॉलम बनाएंगे एक्स्ट्रा CF. So first CF 14, next
70.
70, next CF
130.
130, next CF
216.
216, next
290.
290, right, next
352.
352, the last one,
400.
400.
right, इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 400. Okay, so we got the total frequency 400, already it is given. So 14, 70, 130, 216, 290, 352, 400. So now the value of n is 400 and n/2 is
200.
200. 200 से सबसे फर्स्ट स्मॉलेस्ट कौन सा है इसमें?
130.
130.
नियरेस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट 130. सो 130 के बाद वाला जो क्लास है दैट इज द मीडियन क्लास. सो व्हाट इज L,
3000.
व्हाट इज F,
86.
व्हाट इज
86.
CF?
130.
130. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay, so now we'll write n is equals to 400. So therefore n/2 is 200, which lies in the interval 3000 to 3500. So median class is 3000 to 3500. So L is equals to 3000, n is equals to 400, F is equals to 86, CF is equals to 130, H is equals to 500. Now write the formula of median. Now substitute L 3000, n/2 direct 200 लिख सकते हैं. Okay, otherwise you can write 400/2 minus 130 upon 86 into 500. So this will become 200 minus 130 upon 86. So this will become 70 in the next step. 70 into 500 divided by 86. जब ये पूरा कैलकुलेट करोगे तो मिलेगा 406.98 approximately. So final answer is 3406.98 hours. Hence the median lifetime of a lamp is 3406.98 hours. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now sixth question. Now in this question also we have to find all the three: mean, median or mode. So 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. Determine the median, first median, then mean, then model size of the surname. First you check whether the class interval are continuous or not.
Yes, sir.
Right,
Yes,
continuous.
sir.
So we'll find mean, median, mode. उसके लिए एक ही टेबल हम लोग बनाएंगे. ओके, कभी भी तीनों आता है तो सबसे बेस्ट है कि एक ही टेबल बनाना. पहले क्लास मार्क, देन CF, देन U, देन FU. ओके, so what is the class mark of first class?
2.5.
2.5. Okay, 2.5 आ गया. Next, what is the class size of all the class interval?
3.
So 3 add करते जाओ. Okay, so we'll get 5.5, 8.5, 11.5, 14.5, 17.5. Now CF, first,
6.
second,
36.
36,
next,
76,
next,
92.
92.
next,
96.
96.
last,
100.
100,
100. Right. Okay, so next column भी हम लोग का हो गया. Now for u we have to assume, see middle में 2 आ रहा है, सबसे छोटे वाले को assume कर रहे हैं हम लोग 8.5. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 0, नीचे पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज 1, 2, 3, ऊपर नेगेटिव -1, -2. ओके, नेक्स्ट कॉलम f into u. So tell me fast, 6 into -2,
minus 12,
12.
-12, 30 into -1,
Minus 30.
30,
40 into 0,
0.
0,
16 into 1,
3.
16.
4 into 2,
8.
8,
4 into 3,
12.
12,
okay, so we got all the values. Okay, so 12 minus 12 we can cancel it. This is 24 and this is -30. So we'll get -6. Okay, and the total frequency is 100 and FU is -6. So first we are going to find mean. So the formula is A plus summation FU upon summation F into H. A is 8.5, H is 3, summation FU is 6, and summation F is 100. So we'll substitute all these values. So minus 18 upon 100 is minus 0.18. So final answer is 8.32. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll
No, sir.
find, next we'll find mode. Mode के लिए which is the highest frequency? ये कॉलम देखो, फ्रीक्वेंसी का कॉलम, which is the highest?
40.
40.
40. So this is F1 and this is the model class. Okay, and this is the F0, F1 के बाद वाला F2. ओके, और क्लास साइज है इसका 3. सो मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 40. सो मॉडल क्लास इज 7 to 10. नाउ वी आर राइटिंग ऑल दिस वैल्यूज. L is 7, F1 is 40, F0 is 30, F2 is 16 and H is 3. Now write the formula, then substitute all these values. So 7 plus 40 minus 30 upon 80 minus 30 minus 16. So 40 minus 30 is 10 and 80 minus 46, okay, into 3 will get 0.88 approximately if you calculate. यहाँ पे 10 मिलेगा और यहाँ पे मिलेगा 34. ओके, 5, 17. So 15 upon 17 is approximately 0.88. So final answer 7.88. So this is the required mode of the given data. Now only one is left, that is median. So median के लिए what is the value of n?
100.
100. And n by 2?
50.
15,
50. 50 से नियरेस्ट जो स्मॉलेस्ट CF कौन सा है? नियरेस्ट वन
36,
36 के बाद वाला मीडियन क्लास 7 to 10. ओके, सो फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा ये वाला 40 F and this is CF and what is H?
3.
3. What is L?
7.
7. Okay. So here n is equals to 100, so n by 2 is 50, which belongs to 7 to 10. So median class is 7 to 10. So L is 7, n is 100, F is 40, CF is 36 and H is 3. Now we'll write the formula. उसके बाद substitute करेंगे हम. देखो 7 plus 50 minus 36 upon 40 into 3. 50 minus 36 हम लोग को मिलेगा 14. ओके 14 इंटू 3, ये भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. 7 20. सो 21 by 20, 21 by 20 कितना होगा? 1.05. सो फाइनली 8.05. Okay, we got all. Hence median is equals to 8.05, mean is equals to 8.32 and model size is 7.88. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the last question of this exercise, question number 7. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Median निकालना है. So first you check the class interval whether it is continuous or not.
Yes, sir.
Continuous. Okay. So only one column is required extra, that is CF. Okay. So first CF
2,
2. Next.
5,
5,
Next.
5.
13,
13,
Next.
19,
19.
Next CF.
25,
25,
Next CF.
20,
20,
Next CF.
30.
30,
30. Okay. So we got all the CF. 2, 5, 13, 19, 25, 28, 30. So n is equals to 30 here. What is n by 2?
15.
15. 15 से जो nearest smallest CF कौन सा है? 13. So 13 के
13.
बाद वाला जो क्लास है वो मीडियन क्लास होगा. So n is equals to 30, n by 2 is 15, which lies in the interval 55 to 60. So median class is 55 to 60. So the F frequency is 6 and CF is 13. What is the value of H?
5.
5. What is the value of L?
55.
55. Right. We will write all the values. After that we have to write the formula. So L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now substitute the value of n by 2. Already we got 15. Okay. So 15 minus 13 upon 6 into 5. 15 minus 13 is 2. So 2 by 2 और 6 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा? 3. So only 5 by 3 you will get. What is 5 by 3 approximately?
6.67.
1.67.
1.
ठीक है. 1.67. देखो ध्यान से. 1.67. So finally we'll get 56.67 approximately. Hence the median weight of the students are 56.67 kg. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
ओके. सो ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन था एक्सरसाइज का. अभी एक हम लोग और एग्जांपल मैं बता रहा हूँ जिसमें तीनों फाइंड करना है और ये बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है. 2006 में आया था, बहुत साल पहले. फाइंड मीन, मोड एंड मीडियन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डाटा. सो 0 to 10 means all class interval is given and the frequency is given. You have to check whether the class interval is in continuous or not.
yes, sir.
कंटिन्यूस है. ओके. अब हम लोग को क्योंकि तीनों निकालना है इसलिए मैं एक ही टेबल बनाऊंगा. आई विल मेक ओनली वन टेबल जिसमें क्लास मार्क, CF एंड U, FU, बिकॉज आई विल गो फॉर स्टेप डिविजन मेथड. So this is my blank table. Okay, CF, class mark, U, FU. So let us start with CF. First one, 3.
Three.
Next,
7,
11.
11.
next,
21.
21,
next,
36,
36.
36. Next,
43,
42.
right. Next,
47.
47,
the last one,
50.
50,
50.
50. Right. Okay. So we got 3, 11, 21, 36, 43, 47, 50. Now we'll find the class mark. So we'll all the class size are same, that is 10. So we'll find only the first class mark. क्या है?
5,
5.
Right, 5. After that we will add subsequently 10. So 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Okay. Now we will take the middle में एक ही है 35, so इसको assume करेंगे, इसके स्ट्रेट में 0 लिखेंगे, उसके बाद डाउन साइड में ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, अप नेगेटिव, टुवर्ड्स अप, okay, right. Now we'll find f into u. So ध्यान से देखो, 3 into -3,
minus 9,
8 into -2,
minus
Minus
10 into -1,
minus
15 into 0,
0,
7 into 1,
7,
4 into 2,
8,
3 into 3.
9,
9.
Okay, right. So ये 9 9 यहीं पे कैंसिल कर दिए हम लोग, and this is -26 and this is 15. So we'll get -11. So total frequency is 50 and summation FU is -11. Now this table we will use for all three measures of central tendency, that is mean, mode and median. So let us start with mean. Mean में A we took 35, right, and H is 10. We write the formula first, A plus summation FU upon summation F into H. Then substitute 35 plus -11 by 50 into 10. So ये cancel हो जाएगा, 0 0. So 35 minus 2.2 मिलेगा हम लोग को. That is 32.8. This is the required mean. Any doubt in mean?
No.
Okay. Now we have to find next mode. The maximum frequency is 15. So this is F1. F1 से पहले वाला F0. F1 के बाद वाला F2. ठीक है, और मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी जिस क्लास का है वो मॉडल क्लास, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ L इज, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ L? 30. And what is the value of H? 10. We'll substitute all the values. Okay, so model class which lies in the class 30 to 40, so model class is 30 to 40. So L is 30, F0 is 10, F1 is 15, F2 is 7 and H is 10. So सारे values लिख दिए हम लोग. Now we'll write the formula. So this is the formula. Now I am going to substitute all the values. 30 plus 15 minus 10 upon 2 into 15, 30 minus 10 minus 7. ये 5 हो जाएगा. This will become 5. And this will become 30 minus 17 will become 13. So we'll get 50 upon 13. When you will divide 50 by 13, you will get 3.85 approximately, and the final answer is 33.85. This is the required mode. Any doubt in mode?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards the next part, that is median we have to find. So median के लिए, what is the value of n?
25.
50.
n is 50, n by 2 is 25. So 25 से nearest जो सबसे छोटा CF कौन सा है?
21.
21. So 21 के बाद वाले जो क्लास जो रहेंगे वो मीडियन क्लास होगा. Okay, and this is F, this is CF. What is the value of L?
30.
30.
What is the value of H?
10.
10.
10.
Okay, so we have n is equals to 50, so that n by 2 is equals to 25, which corresponds to the class 30 to 40. So thus median class is 30 to 40. So we'll write all the values. L is 30, F is 15, H is 10, N is 50, CF is 21. उसके बाद फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे हम लोग. Now we'll substitute 30 plus 21, 25 minus 21 upon 15 into 10. So if you subtract these two, you will get 4. Okay, और ये भी हम लोग चाहें तो यहीं पे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. 5 2s are 5 3s are, so 8 by 3 we are getting. Okay, otherwise you can multiply then divided by 15. So 2.67. 8 by 3 will be easy. 2.67 approximately. So 32.67 आंसर आएगा यहाँ पर. 32.67 is the required median. Hence, mean is 32.8, mode is 33.85, and median is 32.67. Okay, so any doubt?
No, sir.
Session 2 already I have uploaded. Session 3 I will upload tomorrow. Okay, so let us move towards the next section, that is assignment
Assignment
questions.
section.
Assignment questions. Only 3 questions are there. I request you, all of you, to take the screenshot so that you can complete without my uploading the video. Okay, so तीनों में median find करना है. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.